What if I told you the person you can't stop thinking about is already thinking of you, and that one small shift inside you could make them call you? Not in days, but minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because what you're about to discover isn't a trick, and it's definitely not manipulation. It's about aligning your energy with such calm clarity that the universe and the people in it respond without resistance. This isn't about chasing. It's not about texting first, begging, or hoping they notice you. It's about tapping into something far deeper, a state where real desire meets quiet surrender. And when that happens, the impossible becomes natural. You might be thinking, I've tried manifesting before. I've done affirmations, visualizations. Nothing worked. But there's one invisible reason why it hasn't. And once you understand it, everything shifts. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple inner change. A one that thousands have used to trigger real results, sometimes instantly. By the end, you'll not only feel different, you may already hear that notification. So take a deep breath. The moment you've been waiting for is already beginning. You've probably heard it before. Your thoughts create your reality. So you think positive thoughts, you visualize, you repeat affirmations, but nothing changes. The message never comes. The call never arrives. And slowly, frustration creeps in. Why? Because while your mind says, I want this, your energy quietly says, I don't have it. This is the hidden conflict almost no one talks about. The silent war between desire and doubt. Between wanting something and unconsciously fearing it's out of reach. The universe doesn't respond to words. It responds to your vibration. And when your energy is filled with urgency, fear, or frustration, you're actually broadcasting lack. And lack repels what you want most. Think of it like this. If someone kept begging you to call them, obsessing every hour, would you feel drawn to them or pushed away? That's exactly what many people do energetically. They push, plead, worry, obsess, and unknowingly block the very thing they desire. But here's the truth. When you stop chasing, what you desire begins chasing you. It's not magic. It's alignment. And the shift doesn't happen outside. It begins inside you. That's the change we'll activate, starting right now. So, what is this shift? It's the moment you stop asking and start allowing. It's when you stop trying to force things into your life and instead create space for them to come to you. Think of desire like a bird. If you grab it too tightly, you scare it away. But if you open your hands, it might land gently on your palm. This shift is emotional. It's energetic. And it begins when you release the need to control how and when things happen. Letting go isn't giving up. It's tuning in to something deeper, wiser, more aligned. Because when your mind stops racing, when your emotions soften, your energy becomes magnetic. You stop chasing the outcome, and you start attracting it. The person you're thinking of, they're not just a thought. You're already connected through memory, emotion, and intention. But for that connection to fully activate, it needs space, not pressure. So here's the shift. Move from wanting to knowing. From I hope it happens to I feel it already happening. This isn't about faking confidence. It's about choosing to live as if the call, the message, the contact is already on its way. Because the moment you embody that version of you, your energy changes. You move from resistance to flow, from anxiety to trust, and that quiet, calm confidence. It's the exact frequency that pulls what you want toward you. No chasing, no obsession, just resonance. In a moment, I'll guide you through a powerful practice that locks in this shift. But first, let me share a story, because when you see how it played out for someone else, you'll realize how close you already are. Let me tell you the story of someone we'll call Elena. Weeks had passed without hearing from someone she cared deeply about. The silence was heavy. Every day she checked her phone, waiting, hoping, wondering what had gone wrong. She'd tried everything, texts, total silence, even letting go, but nothing worked. Until one evening, she sat in silence. And instead of visualizing or begging the universe, she did something different. She breathed and surrendered. She stopped needing that message. She stopped asking for it. Instead, she chose to feel as if it had already arrived. She allowed her heart to feel peace, not pressure. "It's okay either way," she whispered, "but I know it's coming." After 15 minutes, her phone lit up. Not just a text, a call. And no, it wasn't magic. It was alignment. The moment her energy shifted, the connection reopened. This is what happens when you stop vibrating with fear and start living in certainty. No desperation, no control, just a clear, calm intention. And now, right in this moment, you too can create that same change. Not by trying harder, but by letting go, deeply, like she did. Now it's your turn. Right here, right now. You don't need anything special. Just you, your breath, and your willingness to open. Let's begin with stillness. Close your eyes, unless you're occupied, and turn your focus inward. Take a long, slow breath in, through your nose. Hold it, and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale peace, exhale pressure. Once more, this time, let your shoulders drop. Let your chest soften. Let your jaw unclench. Now repeat in your mind, or softly out loud, "I am safe. I am calm. I am open to receive." Again, "I am safe. I am calm. I am open to receive." Let those words echo gently through your chest. Now bring their image, the person you've been thinking about, into your awareness. Don't cling, just allow their presence to float in like a breeze. Now breathe in again and silently say, "Our connection is real, and I no longer need to chase it." Exhale. "Our connection is real. I no longer need to chase it." Feel the shift. Feel your body settle. There's no tension here. No proving, just presence. Now say, "I trust that what I desire is already moving toward me." One more time, slower. "I trust that what I desire is already moving toward me." Let that feeling settle into your entire body. You're now entering a space of allowance, not effort, not wishing, but powerful stillness. If your phone is near you, place it down as a symbol. You don't need to check it. It's already done. Stay here. Inhale deeply, and exhale any last traces of attachment. Inhale knowing, exhale doubt. Let your body feel the lightness, the openness. Now, picture the moment, the vibration, the sound, the screen lighting up, their name, the message, the call. Let that joy rise inside you. Let it feel normal. Let it feel done. That feeling is the signal. That vibration is the portal. You're not asking anymore. You're receiving. Stay in this peace a little longer. You've already shifted. Now stay in this space just a little longer. Let your imagination paint the picture completely. You're sitting peacefully, no tension, no rush. And then, it happens. You hear the vibration. You see the screen glow. Their name appears. There's no shock, no overreaction. Just a deep, calm knowing. Of course it happened. I knew it would. This is the feeling you're anchoring. The moment where desire meets reality, not by chance, but through alignment. Don't chase that moment. Don't obsess over it. Live in it, right now. Because each time you embody that emotion, you collapse the gap between you and the outcome. That's how energy works. Not through pushing, but through frequency. You are no longer someone waiting. You are someone receiving. You've entered the reality where the message arrives. The call happens. The connection returns. And when it does, because it will, you'll smile gently. You'll breathe deeply. And you'll remember this moment, because this wasn't luck. It was resonance. It was energy. It was you finally aligned with what was already yours. Now keep that energy. Let it become your natural state. You're no longer searching. You're attracting. And that changes everything. Now take one final breath with me. Inhale calm and exhale attachment. You've done what you came here to do. You've aligned, you've felt, you've released. Now it's time to return to your day. Not as someone waiting, but as someone who already knows it's done. Don't overthink, don't obsess, don't check the phone every minute. Instead, walk forward, gently, confidently, with the energy of someone who's already received. Because you have. Let go now. Not from doubt, but from trust. The signal has been sent. The shift is complete. Now simply live and let it come.